Hi guys, so this is George from Green Shadow TV, and today our video will feature one very interesting site called Tradingview.com, and we would like to look at the trading options here of various currencies and also cryptocurrencies. Right, let's start with EURUSD. So what I like about this site is that there's the overview. Of course, this is where the prices are, and it features several markets that's quoting the price. Like for example, here we have Composite, FXCM, Wanda, Forex.com, Saxo, Currency.com, and WH Self Invest. Yes. Okay, so they have different prices, but we have the composite here that's being quoted. Right. Now there's also the full featured chart. I hope that it opens immediately. Okay, while it is opening, let's move to another feature. So ideas is mainly for ideas. I'm just kidding. It's mainly for some analysis of experts, quote unquote. So there are top authors: Lama Black, Sunny Hill Capital, Side 966, Atlas Trade, JB, PIP, Trade 24FX, and they're the ones who tweeted. Is this it? Yeah, tweeted or talked about EURUSD. That's why they're featured here. Of course, there are also other authors. Look at this: EURUSD explanation why upward pressure is likely to continue. Alright, by Wyckoff Moat. Yeah, so you can use that. And this is what I love, this one: technicals. Look at this. Technicals. Of course, the default is 1-day view. Look at this: oscillators, moving average, and then the summary. For oscillators, they're featuring relative strength index, which we are usually featuring. Look at the value now, 53. Of course, it's neutral. Stochastic, 78, neutral. Commodity channel index, neutral. Average directional index, we do this often, 16.5, neutral. Awesome oscillator, neutral, although it's negative. Momentum is a buy. MACD is a buy. Stochastic RSI fast is neutral. Williams percent range is sell. Bull bear power is neutral. Ultimate oscillator is neutral. And this is how they do it: 8 neutrals, 2 buy, 1 sell, so that's buy. Now for moving average, they feature a lot: exponential moving average of the 5, simple moving average. I know, maybe it's better to see the moving average rather than do it like this. Of course, it's different if you see the chart yourself, but if you are person who's not, doesn't have a lot of time, then maybe this could be a summary that's good for you. So moving average is, there's a strong buy indicator here. We have 13 buys and 2 sells, 1 neutral. And for the summary, it's a buy. But this is the 1-day view for EURUSD. Remember what the experts, so-called experts, said that this is a long-term buy. Now, if it is grouped into 4 hours view, same thing, it's a buy. Now for the hourly view, yes, it's a sell. Usually, as I said in my previous videos, usually when you are looking at the hourly view or 1 hour view, you have to stay for 1 hour, at least 1 hour, in order for you to really find the trade. Because the moving averages are measured that way, oscillators are also measured that way. So 1 hour, maybe 4 hours, multiplied by 4. For 4 hours, if you are talking about 4 times 4 hours, you have to stay for 16 hours. Alright, for 1 day, then you have to stay for at least 4 or 5 days, something like that. Alright, so for 15 minutes, you have to stay for at least 4 or 5 of that, so that's about an hour of view. So let's look at the 15-minute view. Sell, sell, strong sell. Moving average is sell. So if you're looking at the 15 minutes view, then it's a sell. How about 5 minutes? For the 5 minutes, it's the same. For the 1 minute, it's a buy. So what does that mean? If you look at that, if 1 minute it's a buy, so that means very short term buy. 5 minutes and 15 minutes, maybe you could call it like an intermediate. And if you are really a trader, you know, I suggest just an hourly view. But an hourly view now is converted to sell. So that means it's now a sell. It's now registering a sell signal. Yeah. Let's look at the overview again. Of course, the daily view will differ a lot. I think this is the yes. What's this? Let's look at the daily view. Daily view. Oh, sorry. This is 1 day view. So this is 1 day view. Yes. So plenty of movement here. So if you want to see the 3-month view, it's like this. Okay, 5-day view. Okay, last 5 days. See, there's very weakness here. 1 month view, yeah, weakness in the short term. 6 months view, again, you know, long term is still accumulation rather than distribution. But you know, traders don't usually look at the things that you know, that long. All right, so that's the reason why they're traders. So let's look at a full featured chart. So yeah, same here. We have trend line. Yes. What's this? Okay, so this is a 5-minute view. Let's look at it from a 1 hour view. Yes. So an hour view. Oh my God. Yes. So yeah, this is 1 hour view. Why is my? I want it to be like candles or something like that. Yes. Yes. All right. So this is an 1 hour view, and yes, there are many indicators that are here. I hope that I can use them all. Right. So there are candlestick patterns built in. Okay. Bollinger Bands. Yes, the Bollinger Bands is there. What about MACD? Of course, it will be added below, and then the RSI. Let's look at the RSI. Yes. Yeah. More indicators, more trading possibilities. Yes, I know that. Okay, so this is on one. Remember, this is a 1 hour view, and the price has breached the lower band of the Bollinger and is now registering a green candle after a red candle. This is an hourly view. The last movement of the MACD was a bearish crossover happening October 11 at 2200 hours. Is that today? No, but this is the US, right? So it's a clear bearish signal. If you look at MACD, it has not, you know, it's still sell or, you know, avoid. Yes, so that's EURUSD. Again, if you don't have time to do all that, then just use the technical rules here. Okay, after EURUSD, then maybe we can look at GBPUSD. Okay, the British pound versus the US dollars. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The 1 day view. Yes. Now the technicals. Okay, so the technicals for the daily, neutral for the oscillator, strong buy for the moving average, so buy for the summary. But that's one day view. 4 hours view, we have nothing much change, buy and strong buy. 1 hour, this is where we are. Sell for the oscillator, strong buy for the moving average. This is amazing. I mean, look at the intricacies. Look at this disparity. The oscillator says sell, moving average says strong buy. There's no sell signal for moving average, 15 buy signals. For the summary, we have 16 because summary is just addition of the two. So yeah, so look at this: strong buy and sell. Oscillators sometimes are more reliable than moving average too. So that's another thing to consider. But it's not really clear because 2 is to 1. That's not really clear. Yeah, so I would put it at buy, not strong buy. Yes. So what else? EURUSD, British pound. What about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin USD. Okay, Bitcoin to the US dollars, $11,266.11 per Bitcoin. Look at the technicals. Let's go straight away. 1 day view, buy, strong buy. Yes. For the 1 hour view, if you're trading and it's a sell. Alright, so it's a sell, short term, and it's a buy, long term. So let's look at 15 minutes, even shorter than that. Wow, strong sell. 5 minutes, oscillator says buy, moving average says it's a sell. So I think this is too close to call. So maybe let's just focus on the hourly view. The hourly view is clearly on the sell side. So that means short term sell, long term, which is the 1 day, is buy. So you know that you're going to buy it, but in the short term, you're just going to, sell it for a while. Yes, knowing that it will settle. Ethereum, let's look at the Ethereum. Ethereum US dollars, yes. Finally, last bit. Ethereum US dollars, one of the most famous cryptocurrency, is at 367.15 now. Let's look at the technicals. For the 1 day, buy and strong buy. Buy for the summary, strong buy for the moving average, sell for the oscillators. But that's just the 1 day view. I mean that the long-term view is a buy, while the short-term view, the same as Bitcoin, is a sell. Oscillator sell, 3:2. Moving average is, clearer, 11:5. So moving average. So the same with Bitcoin, Ethereum, sell in the short term, that's an hourly view, and then recover but buy in the long term. Yeah, so that's where we are right now. I hope you learned something. If not, just go to tradingview.com and look at the symbols. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and ring the notification bell for future content. Make it all content, alright, so that every time we come up with a new video, and usually it's about how to make money, how to create music, and how to do your stuff with apps and trading in the stock market, insights in life, but more of making money, right? So if you're interested in all that, please do subscribe. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. May all your trades be 10 baggers and you become a billionaire like me. Thank you very much. Bye.